Now, this is not a promotional or a sales pitch because I am by no means affiliated with the company in no shape, form, or fashion, nor am I being compensated or commissioned by the company. So I'm just doing this unboxing and thought I'd share it with you. Because let me tell you, I've been in need of another lamp, y'all. Let me get my old one. It's going to be unplugged, so just so you know. Oh, shoot. It's magnetized to the mirror it was sitting on top of. So, this was my lamp. I was so excited about this little cute dome lamp from my first Amazon haul. So, yeah, this is it. The problem I'm having with this one is the display, the LED display doesn't show well anymore. It only shows like a portion of the number. And also the sensor, it works only if I put my hand in or my practice hand. I can't push the buttons and the timer gets the lights to go on. So it doesn't work. No, I shouldn't say that. It actually works, but it doesn't work by way of the buttons anymore. I have to put my hand in there. So I'm thinking, since it still does function in some sort of way, I think I'm going to take this to my bedroom vanity, because sometimes I sit in there. So I'll just use this until it doesn't function anymore, and that'll be okay for that. So I really needed a new one. So here is the power cord. I won't be plugging it in because, again, like I said, my outlets are down up underneath my desk. But I'm just wanting to show the lamp to you. So this is by the company Dulcii, and it's a UV LED nail lamp. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing the company name correctly, Dulcii or Dulcii. It sounds better as Dulcii, doesn't it? So I showed you guys the packaging, and you know what, even without it arriving, before I even opened it, the first reason why I chose this one is because it's a 75 watt lamp. Let me show you that part. 75 watt. The one that I currently have is a 48 watt lamp, and I gotta admit, you know, I was kind of intimidated by a higher wattage lamp. I'm actually scooting back to sit back down because I was trying to see if I was in frame, but I was kind of intimidated, and most of the videos I've seen, people have been kind of like in a state of apprehensiveness, like, oh my gosh, it's like a 80 watt lamp. So I kind of felt the same way. It's a little intimidating, but I figured I'd give it a try. I got this off of Amazon. I just figured, hey, why not, you know, share this purchase with you. So it has the 30. Now on my old one, it's let me see, what are the numbers? 10, 30, and 60. 10, 30, 60, and 90, and the 90-second button is the low heat mode control. On this one, it's 30, 60, and on this one it's 30, 60, and 120 seconds is the low heat mode. What I really liked, because I started having problems with this old one too, really only because I never have a need to take it apart. I go to get my feet done. If I did my own feet, it would matter, but I have to go and get my feet done because I've started suffering hip problems and I can't get down there to my feet. So, but the problem I also was having is one of the magnetized parts of it, the magnetic parts, is stuck together and I can't take it apart. But check this out. I like this too. This was a feature that it's not magnetized. It just slides out. Isn't that nifty? I like that. So it just slides in and out, so you don't have to worry about magnets and all that. So, and then it just slides back in. So this one, of course, also has the sensor in it where when you put your hand in, it lights up and you take your hand out and it stops. So this is the new lamp, guys. I just thought I'd share it with you. 75 watts. And you know what? I really haven't been much of a... I really hadn't been much into using stuff that requires me to, but I am now because of having polygels. That is especially for polygels, okay? Because it's a thicker product, it takes a little more to cure it. So that's what I had in mind when needing the lamp. Not so much the gel polishes, because the gel polishes will still cure. Oh, and the other thing, I was going to say the gel polishes will still cure in my other lamp. The other thing, as soon as I said gel polishes, it made me think white, black, and there was another color. Like real pigmented colors like reds, those real deep reds. So that's another good reason to have a stronger watt nail lamp, because white gives people problems. Black, takes more to cure, etc., etc. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's gonna be on my desk now, and actually it matches the decorum better. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor, hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Remember, we have a nailification bell, so don't forget to click that so that you can become part of this NailTube family.